Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are trying that girl routine so that you don't have to try it. Something about waking up on time and then having a full day to yourself is so good. First thing is that I woke up and then I tried to make my bed. I washed my face. These small habits before using your phone, before using any devices, makes such a huge difference. Like just washing your face, brushing your teeth, and making your bed. It just makes a lot of difference in your life, and you will notice it eventually. By the way, I love this Nivea face wash. It is so good. Okay, usually I don't make my bed whenever I get up foreign say. I try to get onto my day and then I'll make my bed. But today I literally tried to make my bed early. I woke up and then I made my bed. And no, I don't do these habits or things daily. And I don't drink lemon and honey water daily, but I have heard very good things about it, the digestion, skin benefits, everything. So I think I'll give it a try for like at least a week so that I know what we are working with, and you guys can do it if you want to and if it's worth it or not. Okay, I don't do crazy morning skincare routine, not at all. I will never do that because it doesn't make much sense to me. Yes, you can apply a serum and a sunscreen, but 13-step skincare for a day, at least it doesn't make sense to me. So I don't do that at all. मैं वो चीज़ें नहीं करती. I just went on with my day. I did some reading while drinking lemon water. It's just the best time to relax while you're drinking and reading a book. And I think it's the best thing that you can do and give to yourself is some private and some your time and the free space where you can actually learn something or do some hobby, whatever you like. I think you guys can do meditation as well, whatever you like. And I also did oil my hair yesterday. That is why I look like that, so don't mind that. Other than that, I also did my workout. That was like first day of my workout after like months of not doing a workout, so I think that made me so much better. And there's a funny time lapse that this is so funny to look at, but I was so tired and still I have my thighs pain, because of the workout. And one more thing that I did that was new to me was to make a to-do list, because I don't make to-do lists. And when I did that, I realized that everything is sorted and you know what to do and you know how to organize that task and how important those tasks are for you. I think that is a really nice thing and you should do it daily. I will try to do it daily because it makes me so much productive in a way that helped me a lot to achieve all of my tasks and goals for the day. I think that you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. to achieve that girl routine. I think you guys can actually be disciplined if you are following a routine. Whichever you think will suit you, I think that is the basic part of this routines that will make you disciplined. And obviously that routine can never be completed without an healthy breakfast. I bought this granola like a month ago, but I have not eaten it in a way जितना मुझे खाना चाहिए था, ठीक है? So for today we are going to start eating healthy, and I added some granola on my yogurt and some chia seeds, and then I added some dates and banana, whichever fruit you like you can add. So I added all of these things and it was very tasty. Okay, I really loved it. And it is so good for you to have a fulfilling breakfast and to have a healthy breakfast so that you will get all that energy throughout the day. So I had this breakfast, and obviously you cannot skip iced coffee. That is healthy as well. Okay, so I had some iced coffee and it was so yummy. And then I decided to take my shower, and I use this Head and Shoulder Classic Clean and Bath and Body Works body wash. Okay, it's so good. My take on this entire that girl routine that I'm trying to follow is that yes, I think it is worth it because it is going to make you more disciplined and it will help you to stay on that track or be healthy rather than being a that girl. It will help you get discipline. But on the other side, when I see those that girl videos, okay guys, it was a namaz break. But as I was saying, okay, you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. and then start that routine. Not at all. It's not necessary to do that. I woke up around 10:30 today and I did all of these things and I still feel good and still feel very disciplined. So I think that if you're not a 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. person, you don't have to do. But I think it's not easily achievable if you're doing it 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. routine, and if you're not a morning person at least. So I don't think so that you can achieve it with the consistency. I think the consistency सिर्फ तब आ सकती है when you're doing things that you are actually willing to do. Like if you're waking up at 1 p.m. or 12 p.m., you can just wake up at 10 a.m. I think that will be a huge win for you. And you just don't have to skip all of the time and just wake up at 6 a.m. No, if you don't have to, just don't. Just make a routine and be disciplined. That is the whole point of these routines and these videos, to make you disciplined and to make you productive and motivated. I think you guys can do that if you are following at your pace rather than following someone else's pace. I think that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.